welcome back to my channel and welcome to my fall clean and decorate with me. I have been so excited to decorate for fall. If you guys haven't been able to tell from all the fall videos I've been putting out here lately. So I'm so happy to finally be sharing this with you guys. And I'm happy to also say that this video is in collaboration with my very, very good friend Mandy here on YouTube from Mandy in the Making. I love Mandy, guys. I know you will love her too. She does cleaning videos, farmhouse videos, shopping videos, haul videos. She does a ton of stuff just like me. So I know if you like my videos, you will absolutely love hers. I will link her video and her channel in the description box down below. Definitely go check her out and let her know that I sent you and give her tons and tons of love. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm just pulling out all of my fall and Halloween decor and I'm laying it out on the floor so I can take inventory as I decorate. I love Halloween. It is my absolute favorite holiday, but I didn't want to get too crazy with the Halloween decor yet since it's still August. So I did want to wait just a little bit before putting too much out, but I couldn't help myself with putting a little bit out, as you'll see as this decorate with me goes along. We could have been doing just great, but you threw a good thing over. And this is the point where I start to get a bit overwhelmed because I pulled everything out. It was a lot of stuff, so I got a little overwhelmed. But the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to decorate my entryway table. I recently got this entryway table on Amazon for $60. It's a great deal. I love this table. I think it's so pretty. So I started by putting a leaf garland that I got from the Dollar Tree there. And then I have this tin tray that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was only $5, super cheap. And then the Fall Sweet Fall sign that I got in my Hobby Lobby fall decor haul. I will link that up above and down below. And then I'm adding some Dollar Tree floral picks in a Target dollar spot vase here. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking these sweater pumpkins that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I bought these specifically to go in this tray because I just thought it would be so cute on an entryway table, and I love the way it looked. I did want to add a little light too, so I have these little orange votives that I got from Target last year, and I just put one of those LED flicker lights in it. And then the jack-o'-lantern 10 Scentsy, I think this is technically called galvanized steel, both of the tray and the Scentsy. I got that for $15 at Walmart last year, and I love it. And then to add a little Halloween, I took my Goodwill candle holder and then I put a Dollar Tree skull on it. And then I decided I definitely needed something above this entryway table. So I took my clock that's in my living room. I think it used to be above my love seat, and I moved it over here and I love it. I feel like it's so cute above this entryway table. Those colorful. And then the bottom looked pretty bare to me, so I added a floral arrangement, and then these Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat pumpkins I got on clearance at Target last year. That floral arrangement I got at Walmart probably 5 or 6 years ago. It was so long ago. And that's what it looks like. And then we're going to move on to decorating my mantle. The first thing I'm going to do is take down all of my spring decor. I won't lie, no, honestly, it doesn't feel like home, like home. Once I take that down, I'm going to take this fall banner that I again got in my Hobby Lobby haul, and you will see the look of disappointment on my face here. I thought this thing was going to be so much bigger and it was going to get to go across my mantle. However, this thing is very tiny. So I decided that I wanted it across the window up here. And then I took some of these orange berries that I got at Hobby Lobby as well. And this fall banner actually has pockets. And I knew I wanted to put something in those. So that's why I got these berries from Hobby Lobby. I think they were like $1 or something. And I love the way that looks. And I decided I wanted a bit more. So I took another Dollar Tree fall garland. And I decided to put that behind the fall garland, and I love it. It was a lot of effort to do this, but I really love it, and I think it turned out super cute. You can tell that was a lot of effort. And then I'm just adding things and taking them away. If you've watched my previous decorating videos, you know I'm that kind of person. I put things up, I take them down, and I just mess around with it until I like it. Like wanted to add a little bit of light here, so I got these orange little battery operated lights from Walmart last year on clearance, I believe for $2, and I added that behind both of the garlands, and I really like the way this looks. I feel like it's just very cozy looking. And if you're seeing anything that I'm not saying where it's from, no worries. I do have a full fall home tour coming up this upcoming Tuesday. It's going to be in collaboration with a bunch of my friends here on YouTube. So definitely look out for that, and I will take you guys through everything and let you know where it's from. I also left out a lot of things I decorated in this video, so you guys will have to check back on that video to see what those other places look like.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the other.
These decor beads that I got from Hobby Lobby, again, I show these in my Hobby Lobby haul. I found these are really hard to decorate with to not just make it look like they're thrown over something. But I did add them around that Target topiary because I felt like it was a little too spring, and I really liked the way it turned out. And then this little snow globe here I got from the Dollar Tree. They have tons of them and they are super cute. And then after my mantle, I'm going to move on to the two windows above my couch. I am first holding up a Halloween garland. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby last year, and I really loved it, but I just feel like, again, it's August. It might be a little too early to decorate for Halloween. So I took my Hobby Lobby leaf garland and I strung it across here, and I really like the way it looks. I may add that Halloween garland later, but for now, I'm really happy with this.
With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel.
And then once I'm all done decorating, you can see the massacre. That is my living room. It was a complete wreck. So I'll take you guys along with me to clean it.
Yeah. You'll find a difference.
The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to box up all the excess decor, and I'm going to put it in this black bin here. And then the cardboard box to my right, I think. This is hard when you're not in it. But I have all of my spring and summer decor in there, and I'm going to label that and just put that up so I can get that out next year.
You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased.
And I have these little jack-o'-lantern lights that I use every single year that I love. I usually always put them over my fireplace. So I did that again for a minute thinking I was going to put them out, and then last minute changed my mind for now. But those will definitely be coming out again closer to Halloween. Once I have everything boxed up, I'm just gonna have Zach go move those out in the garage for me.
I'd like to be a different side of me, yeah.
And then I'm gonna start in on some quick dusting and then vacuuming up all of the tons and tons of glitter, all of the Halloween decorations left, as well as cleaning up all of the leaves and everything that are everywhere. If y'all could have seen my carpet, it was nuts. It was so crazy from all the decor.
Wasting time, I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't talking more in conversations with you. With you. I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Once I'm done vacuuming the carpets, I'm going to vacuum both of my couches as well, because I did throw some stuff up here as I was decorating, so they were pretty dirty as well.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated.
And then that's it. Here's everything all decorated. I love the way it turned out. I feel like it's so cute and cozy, and I'm ready for fall and Halloween, y'all. And like I said, there are a lot of things I didn't show you in this video, so definitely come back this Tuesday, September 4th at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to check out my full fall home tour. If you like this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you guys here, and I will see you back here very, very soon. Bye.